Hi, friends. It's the Kids Word Quiz. Today is about animals. Listen to 3 hints and guess. First question. It hears very well with its long ears. It hops around quickly. Its teeth keep growing its whole life. The answer is rabbit. A rabbit hears even tiny sounds with its long ears. It hops far and fast on its strong back legs. A rabbit's teeth never stop growing, so it must gnaw constantly to keep them worn down. Second question. It has reddish fur and pointy ears. It hunts mostly at night. It raises its babies in an underground den. The answer is fox. A fox has reddish fur, pointy ears, and a long, bushy tail. It hunts at night using its sharp hearing and sense of smell. A fox may even use Earth's magnetic field, like a compass, to pounce more accurately on hidden prey. Third question. It drinks water and smells with its long trunk. It has huge wide ears. It is the biggest creature that walks on land. The answer is elephant. An elephant smells and drinks with its long trunk. It flaps its huge ears like fans to cool down. 2 finger-like tips on its trunk let it pick up something as small as a single berry. Fourth question. It has a very long neck. It has a spotted, patchy coat. It eats leaves from the treetops. The answer is giraffe. A giraffe's long neck lets it reach leaves at the top of trees that no one else can. Every giraffe has its own unique spotted pattern. A giraffe's neck has 7 bones, just like human neck, but each bone is much longer. Fifth question. It hops on strong back legs. It carries its baby in a pouch. It uses its long tail to balance. The answer is kangaroo. A kangaroo hops far and fast on its strong back legs. A mother kangaroo carries her baby in a pouch on her belly. A kangaroo's body is built so it can only hop forward, never backward. Sixth question. It swims very well using its flippers. It cannot fly in the sky. It looks like it's wearing a black tuxedo. The answer is penguin. A penguin uses its flippers like fins to swim very fast underwater. It cannot fly, but it may be the best swimmer among birds. An emperor penguin dad balances the egg on his feet and doesn't eat for 2 months. Seventh question. It eats bamboo almost all day long. It has black and white fur. It lives in bamboo forests in China. The answer is panda. A panda spends more than 10 hours a day eating bamboo. Its black and white fur makes it easy to spot from far away. Its wrist has a special bone that works like a sixth finger to help it grip bamboo. Eighth question. They live and hunt together in a group. Males have a big furry mane. People call it the king of the jungle. The answer is lion. A lion lives and hunts together with its pride. Male lions have a big, shaggy mane that makes them look majestic. Most lionesses in a pride are actually family, like mothers, daughters, and sisters. Ninth question. It spends most of its time in water. It has a huge round body. It can open its mouth incredibly wide. The answer is hippo. A hippo cools off by staying in the water during the hot day. It is so large that it's the second heaviest land animal after the elephant. A hippo's skin makes a reddish fluid that works like natural sunscreen to protect it. 10th question. It sleeps through the winter. It has an amazing sense of smell. It has big, thick paws. The answer is bear. A bear sleeps in its den through the cold winter, resting deeply. Its nose is so sensitive that it can smell food from far away. A bear's sense of smell is about 7 times better than a bloodhound's. You did great today. See you next quiz. Bye.